This exercise is really important to understand the different ways that your shoulder blades can move or your scapula can move across your back. One of the things that I notice with clients often is that they have no idea that their shoulder blades can internally rotate towards their spine and that they can posteriorly tilt down towards their pelvis, for example. And this is very important to be able to do, especially when people start doing back exercises like seated low rows, dumbbell bent over rows. So if we don't have the ability to get our scapulars to move into position the way that they should, then what ends up happening is we become shoulder users for everything. So this exercise is a corrective exercise, or kind of like a reset, to teach your body to be able to move your shoulder blades. So this is a prone I. Okay, so prone is lying on our stomach. I use this ab mat to lay on because I want to teach myself to lay in a neutral position, not out flared in extension when I'm laying down on my stomach. So when I lay down on the ab mat, I'm going to get my rib cage and pelvis to shape to the ab mat. So I'll lay like this. Okay, and what I'm doing is getting my rib cage to kind of pull up a little bit, right? So I'm pulling my rib cage up, okay, and then what's happening is my pelvis is lengthening downwards this way. So I may feel a little bit of activation in my glutes. I'm going to be in this position with my hands down at the side of me, and then my thumbs start externally rotating. And I'm getting this movement, retraction, through my shoulder blades. And I'm teaching my shoulder blades that they can move internally towards my spine. Okay? As I do this, my thumbs are faced outwards. What I want to make sure that I don't do is just move my thumbs. Okay? I have to make sure that my shoulder blades actually get some movement down, okay, towards my pelvis and also together towards my spine. These are prone eyes, okay? If you don't have an ab mat, okay, use pillows. Just stack yourself up with pillows and get used to doing this corrective exercise for prone eyes to be able to get used to moving your back.